Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 10th of August to 16th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right, now so let's go on for my Scorpios now. Let's see what do my Scorpios have in their next week's reading. So I'll be looking at your past energies, present and future energies, and at the end I'll see what are the guidance messages to you, what kind of advice do you need to hear for the coming week. Okay, let's see now. Last shuffle please. One last shuffle. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so at the end of the deck, at the back of the deck, it's the Page of Pentacles. So this might be you, because I'm seeing that, you might be a little slow in some kind of a situation where you need to, you need to decide, or you are the one who is waiting for a decision, a pending decision, and you are waiting for something, I'm seeing. So might be waiting for someone to come to you, or might be waiting for the perfect timing when you will go towards the situation. You might even accept an offer, or you might give an offer. So this is that kind of a situation. All right, so your past energies are Three of Wands, Justice and Queen of Pentacles. So I'm thinking over here, I'm feeling that this is some kind of a decision which you are waiting for. Okay, so you were waiting for a decision to come up, and this might be a decision with your work life, because you might have even tried to give your resume in some kind of a company, and you were waiting for that offer to come, and you were like eagerly waiting that I should get that offer, I should get that, because I'm the one. I'm such a person like who actually deserves that offer. So for your work life, I'm seeing that this might be an offer, or you are waiting for someone who is very stable person. Might be dealing with a Capricorn over here, but I'm seeing Capricorn or Libra energy. So this is a person, you are waiting for a person, for their yes or no, basically. So you are waiting. Your present energies are Seven of Swords, the Empress, and Seven of Pentacles. So I'm seeing that you are still waiting, and this person is sneaking. Like it's not an answer which this person is trying to give to you. This person is being like, yes, I have feelings for you, but I need some time. That kind of a game this person is trying to play with this Seven of Swords and the Empress, being sneaky basically. And you are like, okay, so she or he will come, this person will come, I'm waiting. Okay, so your future energies are Four of Swords, Knight of Wands and King of Wands. Still waiting, and this person will just, this person will go somewhere. Like this person will tell you that I am moving to some place, or we shouldn't need to talk, we should not, we should not talk anymore, or some kind of situation like I need some time, I have many things to do. This is that kind of thing I'm getting. But this person, they are like sometimes here and sometimes there, and they are just making you also move with them, with their decisions, and you are like, okay, I'm understanding, okay, I'm able to understand you, whatever you are saying, okay. So you are in that energy. Let's see your overall energy now. Let's clarify why is this Page of Pentacles is here, Wheel of Fortune. What else? What else do we have for the Page of Pentacles in this situation? The Lovers. See, you are waiting when the person will say yes. When this person is going to say yes. When you are waiting. See, you have offered this person a lot of stable, because this page is very stable. You know, they are that kind of children in your class, you know, whom you see as very sincere children, those people. So this is very sincere offer I'm seeing, and you are waiting for that yes to come up. Okay, so let's see what is this Three of Wands in the past energies. Why is the Three of Wands over here? Three of Wands in the past energies, please. See, waiting. You have waited for a long time, I'm seeing over here. With the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands is also here. So might be dealing with the Leo over here, Leo or Sagittarius. So, or Aries as well. So this is something, you know, you are waiting and this person is just making you juggle. And this is the person. They will just behave like, oh, I like you, you know, we should meet really soon, we should, and when we'll meet we will do this, we'll go there, we'll go here. So they're doing this. Okay, let's see this Justice card. Four of Cups with the Knight of Swords. All right, so I'm seeing that they even said you that they even told you that they might not be able to accept your offer, but you know, they actually told you that, and they added but we can be friends, but we can, you know, we can give it time, we can give this relationship some time, because trust needs to build, you know, there is some kind of truth as well. So that kind of energy. You were offering to a person who was not even ready, who already had so many options in front of them, and you were the fourth one basically. See, they had already 3 cups in front of them and you were the fourth one. So why would they say yes to you? So let's see, why is this Queen of Pentacles in your past energies? Why is this Queen of Pentacles here? The Tower. Okay, so there was something going on with this person, I'm seeing, you know, behind the stability. It was looking that, oh my god, I saw the Death card over here. I'm going to take it. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what exactly the situation is like. So you are waiting for a particular person, and you have given this person a very stable offer. You have given this person like, I will give you whatever you want. You will give money, you will give love, whatever a person wants from a relationship, everything. But you know, behind your back things were already over. This person was trying to end with you already, and you know, they were always like this. They never, there was no love I'm seeing over here. No, you know, you were the one who was waiting for that return of love which you were giving, but I'm not seeing that you actually return, you know, you actually get that kind of love which you wanted. Let's see, why is this Seven of Swords here? Knight of Cups. See, being that lovey-dovey in front of you, and at the back again running. See, this is how. See, they are like with you, they are like, okay, I'm offering you this cup, I'm offering you whatever you want, I will also love you, we will go there, let's do it, a live-in relationship, let's do this, let's do that. And then they're again sneaking out. See, okay, with whom are you dealing? Scorpios. wish that it's not you. Okay, I really wish. The Empress. Six of Pentacles and King of Swords. Okay, so one person was giving the love, offering the love, love. The nurture. Okay, one was a nurturer, one was the caretaker, and one was the one was the King of Swords, who just deal with everything in a practical way. Might be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, or Gemini, because they really think that, always doing things with their mind, mind players. Okay, let's see why is this Four of Swords in your future energies. The World. Okay, what else? I'm getting an energy that you already know that this person is being sneaky to you. This person is just making you juggle, making you go with them everywhere, like sometimes here, sometimes there. But it's like you are not able to accept that thing, but you're not able to accept that rejection. See how you are in your future as well. So you are going to take, I really feel that you are going to take some time thinking about the whole situation, because you are in the middle of a process. So that process, you need to think about it. And when you will think about it, when the pressure will actually come on you, when this person will actually stop talking and this person will just leave, and then you will start to recognize that, okay, so whatever my gut feeling was, I was feeling, it was correct. Whatever you are feeling, your gut feelings, do listen to your gut feelings. If you are feeling that this person is just being a playboy kind of a person, it really is. Yes, let's see why is this Knight of Wands here. Ace of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles. So you are giving this offer of this stable offer. You are working. I'm seeing that you will still give one more chance over here, with this person. But do they even deserve this offer, this one more chance? Because you are still, you'll be like, okay, let's give this person one more chance, because this person, sometimes people change. You have a feeling of that. Let's see whether they will change, because they have become, from Knight of Wands, they are becoming the King of Wands. But is this King of Wands reliable? Let's see. Okay, so there is a hope. I'm seeing there is a chance, but some kind of a nature, sometimes some nature of a person, like sometimes they try to change, so there's a hope from your side that this person might change. But sometimes the people, they love to hold on to the things, because they cannot accept the changes in their life. When we say they accept the change, whatever is going on in your life, accept it. But some people, they have a tendency not to accept some things. So this person is, there's a least expectation, least chance that they will come back for sure. But not to give you 100%. Might come to give you 20% only, might be 30%, because last time they were giving you 10%, so now they'll give you 20%, they'll give you 30%. But they will hold on to their energy. They will not give you their everything. They will not give you the 100%, which you actually deserve. Okay, so let's see what are the guidance, what is the advice from the universe regarding the situation. The High Priestess, Two of Swords and Four of Wands. See, the High Priestess. So if the universe is also telling you, See, if you have some kind of confusion in your life right now because you are confused about the situation, you don't know whether to accept this person or whether to just move on without this person. So, and your gut feeling is telling you to move on because this person is not the person you actually deserve to be with, and your gut feeling is telling you that. So listen to your gut feeling if it is telling you that, because after that only the person which is actually meant to be with you. See, the Four of Wands, 1111, this also means, so whomsoever is has to come in your life, that person will come to your life. So you have to take a decision. Do not be indecisive in your energies right now. Try to decide, try to take a step, and do not be in this zone where you're just waiting. Okay, so do something of your own. That is what the universe is also telling. So that's all from my side, Scorpios. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.